Now I add text on this blank canvas. To do this, from the left toolbar, I choose this text icon and click on this canvas for one time. Now I set my font size in 300 pixels and set my font color from black to white. And from this drop down menu, I choose my font style Athletic. Alright, now I type the. Now I hit OK. Now I click on this canvas again to create another text block and I type R. Now I hit OK again and create another text block, and this time I type here. Now I select the first text block and make this bigger a little bit, and using the move tool I just set it in center. And I make this bigger, this R text, a little bit and set it here. And I select this here text block and make this smaller a little bit, and using the move tool I set it just in this position. Alright, now from the layer panel I just click on create a new layer. After creating a new layer, I just click on rectangular marquee tool, and this time I create a rectangular like this and select paint bucket tool and change this color from white to dark red. Now I click on OK and I just paint this rectangular like this. Now I select polygon lasso tool and this time I just draw a triangle. And after that I just choose magic eraser tool and erase this. Alright, now I press Ctrl D to deselect this portion. To activate the transform mode for this rectangle, I just press Ctrl T. And then I move it here and rotate it a little bit and make this bigger. Alright, now I hit on OK, and from the left toolbar I create the text layer again, and this time I type gems. And I change this gems color from red to white. Now I hit on OK. Now by pressing Ctrl T I just activate the transform mode. Now I just rotate it like this and set it just in this position. And now I hit on OK. In our next lecture, I will give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching.